Hello everyone, my name is Ming, and I'm the AI guy from GBI. For the past 4 days, I've used AI to write my notes, and today I'm here to share with you and Whisket what's so good about it. I'm going to show you what else you can do with the AI notes. Let me show you what it's about. So GBI, Guerrilla Business Intensive, there's a quick intro of what this is, our speakers, the structure. And you can see, let's say in day one, about, if you all remember, we have the guerrilla wealth tactics from 1 to 10, right? And you can click into each of it to see cleaner. Well, buy, create, sell, right? And think big, maximize, minimize revenue. This part about being an expert. So this here is actually related to the 8th point as well, which people are focused, right? So these are all within day one. Of course, we can take a look at day two or day three, day four. Now, day four is my favorite one because we've learned about the copywriting principles, right? We start with a strong headline. We have headline formats, the PAS formula, remember, problem, agitate, and solution. Show your credentials. And if that's not enough, we also have the example, remember, about Jojo's Steakhouse letter right here. Dear husband, women are different than we are. Da 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 da. Right. So, what's so good about this? Biscuit, right? What's so good about this? Well, since all the knowledge are being kept inside here, we don't need to manually think about it anymore. We can just let AI do everything for us. I'm going to show you an example. So this is my actual place where I do things. So imagine in GBI here, I have under $1 million copywriting. What I can do is I can copy this. I go to my own Claude. I say, okay, help me write a short email in 100 words about MD using the principles mentioned. And we just let it think about it for a moment. Now, there you go. Your best ideas are disappearing. Here's how to stop it. Da, da, da. It actually explains to you as well. You have your strong headline, you have your PAS, you have your whisket, be specific, da, 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 and so on and so forth. Yeah, this is what you can do with AI. What else you can do with AI?